And now, where did they get that hook from?
Yes, this is the part of the show where we find hooks and try to figure out where did they come up with it. All right, today's show, we talk about R. Kelly. Before the Pied Piper, known for messing with little girls, a source told us that he was hooked on drugs. And he was so high that he couldn't write. And it got to a part where it seemed like he was about to commit suicide. It was told to us that very high R. Kelly ran up on his roof one day and was at the ledge, and he looked out. It looked like he was about to jump when he said,
I believe I can fly.
Yeah, he was high.
I believe I can touch the sky.
Oh, he was really
Think
high.
about it every night and day.
Take my drugs,
then fly away.
Now, back to the Hip Hop Sons Show.
Again, this is J-Dub in the streets. Want to know, what would you do if you find out your kids are selling drugs? What would you do?
Blame the government.
You blame the government? I mean, the government came to your house and made your kid sell drugs?
No, it's their system. You can't discipline your kids in the right way, and that's fine.
Do you know what time it is?
It's time for me, little Davy. Mommy, come on, Mommy. Mommy, come on, Mommy. You want to play with me? Come on, let's play, Mommy. Okay. All right. I'll play with my train set. Choo-choo. Yeah. All right, everybody. This is Little Davy, your conductor. Everybody getting on the train, get the fuck off. Everybody getting on the train, get the fuck on and let's come on already.
Danny,
What?
Danny, come here. Danny, stop cursing like that. And stop using that profanity.
Okay.
You know better than street
Okay,
like that.
Mommy,
I'm gonna wash your mouth over soon.
Okay,
Now go
Mommy.
play with your train
All
nicely.
right. Choo-choo. Hello, everybody. This is Little Davy, your conductor. Everybody getting on the train, get the fuck on. Everybody getting off the train, get the fuck off. And for the 15-minute delay, ask the bitch inside the kitchen.
Sticking one hoy, nani hinging one hoy. Yo, greetings, blessed love, Holy Emmanuel I Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. This is Junior One Blood Reed, and I always stay tuned to J-Dub and whole entourage. Just keep it strong. Yeah, sticking one hoy, nani hinging one hoy. Modern vampires of the city, until blood, 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 blood. Once a hit, here me come. Yeah.
If you want shut up, show me how me rasta, show me how me dread. You gon' get the music, you can't be a rasta. Show me how me shut up, show me how you nature the paper. Whoa, let them know how we do when we come. Let them know that the wine we be running and them girl we be chillin', and you know we be sippin', y'all. Yow, hey.
Yo, boy, they love the Cornino. Got big dough, hot tracks and main flows. Life like the highway, pushing the Range Rover. My lane bros, they out, yo, we Debo. Please, put it in the air, blow. Diamonds, looking like a rainbow. You can vision every word like cable. This rude boy will leave you disabled. Throw back shots, give back shots, that's fatal. Home run hitter, the black Babe Ruth. Burn down the booth, she whine so loose. Yes, real